Hey, yo.
Say pimps and players, what it do? My name is Kesey and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be giving y'all a little how-to/review on the margaritaville blender. So start off with that patron and pour up like 7 or 8 shots. Then grab you some Grand Marnier and add about 4 shots of that. Then get you some lemon juice and pour like 3 shots of that. And a shot of simple syrup. If you want a regular margarita, you can stop right there. But if you want some flavor, you can add you some fruit, fresh or frozen. It really don't matter. Then you're gonna press the start button. When you press the start button, the ice gonna start falling. As the ice falls, it like separates the water from that bigger piece of ice to give you this small piece. And when it's ready, it starts spinning. So on the back of the machine, there it go. That's where that water that was pulled from that ice, that's where it goes. Then you're just gonna take that out and pour that thing up. And there you go, una margarita de fresa. We made a regular margarita too. Salud. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe.